Today we are talking about adding decimals. So there's some key features here when we add decimals. It's very similar to adding whole numbers. And we've used our area models, our 10 by 10 grid models, to visualize adding decimals. But now we're going to go through the procedural fluency of doing so. So the first step here is to line up the decimal points. It will also be good to make sure you annex any zeros that you may need to fill a place value to make it easier to add. And finally, add the digits in the same place value. So let's look at an example. 19.6 plus 4.31. So our first step here is to go ahead and line up those decimals. I see I have two decimal place values, so I'm going to go ahead and line it up. Two decimal places. Then I can fill in my numbers. So I have a 1, 9, and then a 6 on the right side of the decimal, and then I have a 4, 3, 1. Notice here I can annex a 0. And then I can go ahead and add. 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So I carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. And so my answer is 23.91. But let's check for reasonableness. And we can check by rounding. So if I have 19.6 plus 4.31, I can go ahead and round to the nearest whole number. 9, 6 makes the 9 a 0, which makes the 1 a 2, and so this really rounds up to 20. Plus, the 3 keeps the 4 the same, and so that equals 24. And 24 is an estimate and is approximately equal to 23.91. So this is a good estimate, and so my answer is reasonable.